Good morning friends, today it's 13th of March 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty futures for intraday and next few sessions are as follows. So yesterday we witnessed that Nifty consolidated within a tight range of 22,380 and 22,618 on the higher note, Nifty futures, and it ended almost flat to marginally in red, down 0.15% at 22,530 odd levels. So we continue to hold the same ongoing outlook that holding over and above 22,300, 22,200 levels, Nifty futures remains range to up and on the higher note can attempt towards 22,800 and higher thereafter in days to come. So hedged long outlook remains valid, though this is just a pullback rather than a trend reversal, and up move towards resistance levels of 22,800, 850 followed by 23,250 odd levels in the best case can witness fresh round of selling pressure. So selective buying for the pullback is expected, while on the higher note one should also look for profit taking in the trading long bets. Bank Nifty outperformed yesterday and it ended in green, up 0.45% at 48,213 odd levels. We have seen quite volatile moves in this segment, and technically as per the price study holding over and above 47,500 mark, the bias remains range to downside capped, while on the higher note it has a plenty of resistance levels at around 49,000 followed by higher 50,000 odd levels. So upside remains capped, downside is also limited as of now till the time it is holding over and above 47,500 mark. So within that range we can expect some kind of volatility, and a selective buying hedged longs can be expected and looked into in this space. For the day today as a whole, for Nifty futures, buy on dip towards 24,450 and 22,350. So 22,450 and 22,350 are intraday supports which can be looked for buying, keeping a stop of 50 odd points, while up move towards 22,700 and 22,820 can be looked for contra trading shorts in intraday, keeping a stop of 50 odd points. As per the weekly data, today's being the weekly expiry, the maximum call build-up is at around 22,600 and maximum put build-up is 22,300 mark. So 22,600 is going to act as an important resistance initially for this session, and it's a expiry session, so the volatility can be high. If we talk about Bank Nifty futures for intraday, the buying can be looked on dips towards 47,950, 47,750, and selling can be looked at around 48,520 and 48,750, maintaining strict stop of 100 odd points. The monthly OI data for Bank Nifty for expiry 27th of March indicates maximum put build up at around 48,000 and maximum call build up at 49,000 mark. So it's a tug of war, a tight range, 48,000 and 49,000 mark. Ideally sub 49,000 mark the bias remains range to down in Bank Nifty. As we have mentioned in last few sessions that we can witness some buying interest in mid cap and small cap segment. At the same time, sector specific rotations or buying is expected, and it is and we can look on a positive side in sectors like Nifty Pharma, where selective buyings has been witnessed. FMCG consumer goods still remains range to positive and for the pullback. Traveling stocks, for example in Ease My Trip, EID Hotel, Indian Hotels, IRCTC, they are still remains range to pullback outlook, and at the same time we are optimistic selective counters in auto pack and mid cap and small cap sectors. So broadly it's a pullback which we are witnessing, and a broader market as a whole is indicating selective pop-up kind of up move in counters. So one need to be cautious and careful in selecting the counters and can play the upswings with maintaining strict stop losses. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.